my lip was cracked. I can't leave this bitch, I had to single, double, triple back. She gon' leave me, but she wants to keep me on. What's up with that? I don't even really got time for all that shit right now. I'm a baby father, and all them jokes she told at dinner last night ain't had me dead. I was playing possum, and when I waited around the check, she said let's head to mine. I said okay, awesome. 1 minute we going apart, and next I'm in her apartment, just watching her get naked, and I think it with my heart. I ain't even really got time for all that shit right now, but if she wanted it right now, then I could meet you there right now. Even though you barely